HeyGen plus Seedance 2.0 just changed AI video forever. Here's what you need to know. You've been doing AI video the hard way, spending hours sourcing B-roll, recording yourself over and over to get one good take, watching your videos look like everyone else's. And the whole time, you had no idea something massive just dropped. HeyGen just integrated Seedance 2.0 directly into their platform. And once you see what that actually means, you're not going to want to make videos the old way ever again. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and use AI tools effectively so they can work smarter and build better processes. Today, we're going deep on one of the biggest AI video updates I've seen in a long time. HeyGen just dropped two major releases back-to-back, Seedance 2.0 integration and a brand new avatar model called Avatar V. I'm going to break down exactly what each of these does, why it matters, and how you can start using them right now. Stick around because by the end, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow that pulls it all together, so you can go from a single prompt to a finished, publish-ready video. Let's get into it. First, what is Seedance 2.0? Seedance 2.0 is an AI video generation model built for cinematic output, physics-accurate motion, director-level camera control, dynamic lighting, the kind of footage that looks like it was shot on location with a full production crew. And here's the part most people don't know yet. Seedance 2.0 does not allow real human faces on its public API. You cannot just go to the Seedance platform and drop your face into cinematic footage. They've intentionally blocked that. The only place in the world right now where Seedance 2.0 works with your verified digital twin, your actual face, is inside HeyGen. HeyGen built the consent and identity verification infrastructure that makes that possible. Rated #1 for most realistic avatars on G2, HeyGen has always built around consent from day one. Your digital twin is protected by first-party verification and owned entirely by you. The Seedance 2.0 integration extends that to every frame of cinematic footage, not just the avatar itself. That's a massive deal, and it's something no other platform can currently offer. Now let's talk about what actually just landed inside HeyGen. There are three tools powered by Seedance 2.0 and they each serve a different purpose. The first one is Avatar Shots. Avatar Shots places your digital twin inside Seedance 2.0 generated footage, not as a static talking head on a plain background. Full cinematic motion, any environment, any shot type. Your avatar moves with real physical weight, and your lightness stays consistent across every cut, every angle, every scene transition. Consistency has always been the hard problem with AI video. Most tools drift. Your face looks slightly different in shot 2 than it did in shot 1. Avatar Shot solves that because your identity is locked at the model level. Multiple avatars can also share a single cinematic scene, so conversations, presentations, group scenarios, all possible without anyone stepping in front of a camera. The second tool is Video Agent. You type a prompt. It builds a complete video. Script, structure, motion graphics, editing, your avatar in cinematic footage. All automated. Output up to 3 minutes long. No editing suite, no version 12 that never ships. Just a prompt in, a finished video out. For anyone producing content consistently, training videos, explainers, course material, this changes the production timeline completely. The third tool is the AI Video Generator. This one gives you direct access to Seedance 2.0 for cinematic footage and B-roll. Describe a scene in text. Drop in a product photo or location reference. Seedance builds footage around it. There are first and last frame controls, so you set exactly where a clip starts and ends, and the model generates everything in between with visual continuity. Each clip runs up to 12 seconds. Video Agent can stitch them into videos up to 3 minutes long. B-roll is no longer a budget line item. It's a prompt. When I first started using HeyGen, I was honestly overwhelmed by how fast the platform was moving and how many ways you could use it. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. We've got over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI tools together and sharing what actually works. It's where I figured out which workflows actually save time versus which ones just waste it. Real use cases, practical implementations, people sharing what they're doing in their actual work. If you're serious about using AI to improve your skills and your workflow, check it out. Link in the description. Okay, let's talk about the second big announcement, because while everyone was focused on Seedance 2.0, HeyGen also dropped Avatar V. Avatar V is HeyGen's new AI avatar model, and according to HeyGen, it's the most realistic in the world right now. Here's what makes it different. You record a 15-second clip on your webcam. No professional camera, no studio lighting, no crew. From that clip, Avatar V builds a complete model of your identity, not just what you look like in one frame, but how you move, how your face settles naturally, what makes you recognizably you across different angles and settings. The result is full upper body performance, cinematic rendering, multi-angle stability, lip sync accuracy in 175 plus languages and dialects. One recording, any language, any setting, the same you. Previous avatar systems had a drift problem. Shot 2 looks slightly different from shot 1. By the end of a video, it feels slightly off. Avatar V was built to solve that. It conditions on your full video recording, not a single frame, so it has more identity data to work from, and it holds consistency across long-form content up to 3 minutes. Now here's where it all comes together. Avatar V and Seedance 2.0 are designed to work together. Seedance handles the cinematic hook, the motion-rich footage, the dynamic scenes, the stuff that stops the scroll before you say a word. Avatar V handles the long-form presence, the consistent identity that holds all the way through. They cover opposite ends of the same video, and it all starts from one 15-second clip. Here's how to actually use this. Step 1. Create your Avatar V digital twin. Go to HeyGen. Head to the Avatar section. Click Clone a Real Person. Record your 15-second clip. Be expressive. Use your hands. Vary your tone. Make direct eye contact. The energy you put in is the energy you get out. A flat recording produces a stiff avatar. While you're there, create a standalone voice clone too. Optional, but it makes a significant difference in how natural the final output sounds. Step 2. Pick your workflow. If you want full automation, go to Video Agent. Type your prompt, select your Avatar V twin, hit generate. It handles everything. If you want more control, go to Avatar Shots. Choose your environment, pick your shot type, generate your avatar in a cinematic scene. If you need B-roll or standalone footage, go to the AI video generator. Describe the scene, drop in a reference image, use the frame controls to set your clip boundaries. Step 3. Publish. That's it. Prompt in. Cinematic video out. One important thing to note before you dive in. Avatar Shots currently requires business email verification for users outside the US and Japan. So if you're in another region, make sure you're signed up with a business email to get access. And one final practical tip, when you record your Avatar V clip, be more expressive than feels natural. HeyGen's own guidance on this is clear. If it feels like you're overdoing it, you're probably doing it right. Everything you hold back in the recording, your avatar holds back in the output. Give it something to work with. If you're looking to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid, practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's it for today. Try Avatar V, try Seedance. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. See you in the next one.